Here we are at the boxing game, everybody. Yeah, we are. But look, we have lots of these fighters we had to do. Yeah, we are ready, Mario. Yeah, we are. So, everyone, are you ready? Yeah. Okay, let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Bowser the King Koopa. I need to introduce these fighters. Wow, this is a really good one. I can't wait to cheer and applause. Yay! Okay, to name the fighters, we have to do 3 rounds in these fighters. We have to do. Before we start the fighters, we have to go like this. Just like this one. Bowser, are you going to name the fighters? Yes. Alright, everybody. Let's name the fighters. This is Big Bird, and he's from Sesame Street. Tweet, tweet. Hello. And this is Springtrap, and he's from Five Nights at Freddy's 3. What's up, dude? Alright, let's start the fighters. We have to do this right here. The fight is about to continue by using this, like the other day. Yeah, let the game begin. Yay, the game's about to start. Hooray, the game is about to begin. Let's go. Begin the fight. Round 1. We're on the first round. Fight. Let's do this. Yay. Take that. Okay, this is crazy. Yes. Take that. Take that. Yeah. Here we go. Jump scare. Yay. Wow, this is good. Look at that. Okay, here we go. Oh my goodness. Yay. Oh. Ow! Here we go. This is crazy. Oh my goodness, Big Bird is getting 3 hits in his combo. This is so cool. Round 2. Let's go. The second round. Fight. Here it comes. Yes. This is so cool. I got it. Take this. Yay. I got it. I got it. This is so cool. Here we go. The bunny roll is ready to go. Yeah. That was so cool. Here we go. Yeah, we got him. There you go, Big Bird. Keep going. Wow, this is good. Yes. I got it. I got it. This is cool. Look at that. Yay. Wow, great headbutt. This is so cool. I didn't think this was a really good day. The good day is about the other night. Ooh, it's gonna be in day 6. Alright, Bird Blast. Bird Explode. Yeah. This is cool. Ooh. I can't believe this is a really good one. Here it comes. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Take this one. Take this one. I had. Here it comes right here. Yeah. Take this. Take that. Take this one. I got it. I got it. This is cool. Yeah. Go, Big Bird. This is a really good fighter I had. Final round. Yes! Big Bird is almost certified. Fight. Here we go. This is good. Would you look at that? Yay! This is cool. Here we go. Egg Blast. I can't believe it. This is so cool. Here we go. Tree Blast. Down. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Come on, Springtrap. Get up. Get up. Fight. This is cool. This is so cool. Here we go. Perfect. Timber. This is really certified. I can't believe this one. Wow. Yay. This is good. Meow. Take this. Yay. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Knockout. Would you look at that? Big Bird just win the fight. I did win the fight. Here you go. Here's your trophy of eggs. Thanks, Springtrap. Yeah. Way to go. That's a really good one. Next time, do more battles we had to do.